Good morning, folks. So today we're going to be doing all about perimeter, and with a wee focus on regular polygons at the start of this lesson. So perimeter is the total distance around a two-dimensional shape. Okay, so it's all the way around the outside. If you can imagine a wee fence around a shape, how long would it take to walk around that fence? So let's look at these regular polygons. Okay, so how many sides does this first one have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That has 5 sides. So what do you call that one? That's a polygon. The next one, how many sides does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, which makes it a hexagon. And finally, what's that last one? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, which makes it an octagon. And there's always an easy trick to remember. Perimeter for regular polygons, which means all the sides are the same. Just remember, if all the sides are equal, the number of sides times the length of the side equals perimeter. So what is a regular polygon? A regular polygon has all equal sides. So all equal sides and all angles equal. So this is a regular pentagon, where all the sides are the same length. And then all of the angles are the same size as well. On this occasion, this side is longer than this side, and this angle is different to that angle. Okay, so that makes it an irregular pentagon. So just remember, a regular polygon has all equal sides and all equal angles, otherwise it's irregular. It's to figure out the correct perimeter, you have to add the sum of all the sides. So let's get started. Okay, so Sheila the sheepdog wakes up on a snowy day on the farm and decides to go for a walk along the farm fence. Calculate the distance that Sheila walks. So if we look at the wee picture, we can see the length of the farm is 2 kilometers and the height of the farm is 2 kilometers. So this is a perfect square, which makes it a regular polygon, where all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same. So remember, to find the perimeter, all we have to do is count the number of sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and multiply it by the length, which is 2 kilometers. So 4 times 2 kilometers equals 8 kilometers. Perfect. 8 kilometers. And here's a wee video of Sheila the dog. That's it. Waking up on a snowy day to go for a walk. Alrighty. So now we move on. Now, if we look at this picture, we can see that that's a rectangle. And a rectangle is not a regular polygon. Why is that? Even though the angles are the same, all 90-degree right angles, the length of each side is not equal. So as we can see here, 92 meters and 65 meters. So how do we find the length of something that isn't a regular polygon? Just follow the steps. So 92 meters, and we can see it matches on both sides. So if we go all the way across, that would match, and that's 92 meters. And we can see down here 65 meters. If we go all the way up, this will also be 65 meters. So all we have to do, remember, is to add up the length of each side to find the perimeter. So that is 65 add 65 equals 130. And then 92 add 92 equals 4, 9 and 9, 18. So 130 add 184 equals 4, 11, 1, 314 meters. 314 meters around the pitch. So let's read the question. So Mr. Dunlop has just asked you to pick up all the leaves from around the hockey pitch. You're trying to hit your 10,000 steps today, and this might help. How many steps do you need to take? So how many steps do you need to take to pick up all the leaves? So now we know the distance that you have to walk, but how many steps will that take? Oh, and if we look up here, we can see 1 meter equals 2 steps. So all we have to do is multiply 314 multiplied by 2 equals 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2 equals 628. Perfect. So 628 steps. So just remember, a rectangle, even though it looks like a normal polygon, it's not, because both lengths don't match. So that's 65 meters and 92 meters. Altogether, it adds up to 314 meters all the way around, which is 628 steps. So you're almost there to 1,000 steps, helping you get to your 10,000 steps. Okay guys, so the final example, this one looks a bit trickier, so we'll take our time at this one. So, let's see. You've just kicked a ball in the computer area and broke a computer screen. You've been told that you have to replace the black screen before Miss finds out. What is the perimeter of the screen? Okay, so this seems like a trickier question. So, we have to replace the black screen. Alright, so what is that then? The black screen looks like it's all the way around here. All the way around. So let's find out what distance is that. It looks like a rectangle to me. So let's see. The height, 54 centimeters. The length, 65 centimeters. Oh, but we'll look over here. That says 60 centimeters. So that can't be right, because that doesn't match over here. So what's the difference? Oh, the difference looks like this is measuring this part, which we don't need. So all we have to do is focus on the 54 centimeters. So let's see. Let's find out the perimeter. So 54 centimeters. That's not 60. That is 54. Down here 65. That's all the way across. And we want to go all the way across up here. So this will also be 65 centimeters. So let's add it all up now. 54 centimeters add 54 centimeters equals 108 centimeters. We then have 65 centimeters add 65 centimeters equals 0. Carry your 130 centimeters. We can add those both together, and that equals 238 centimeters, which, what is that in meters? We divide that by 100, equals 2.38 meters. Okay, so that is the perimeter of the screen that we need to replace, because we only broke the black screen. We didn't break any of the rest of it. So we can keep this part, and not worry about it. Okay, so well done guys, and we'll move on to the next lesson. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.